If you want to grow a highly profitable online business, but the absolute thought of talking to a camera makes you want to log off forever, pay close attention. You can completely automate your visual content without ever showing your face. The secret weapon is a tool called OpenArt. It allows you to generate stunning, aesthetic lifestyle visuals using only text prompts. Today, I am breaking down the exact step-by-step strategy to create anonymous content that generates automated sales and engagement. No camera, no makeup, zero exposure. Here's the thing. Most entrepreneurs and creators think growing a brand means you literally have to be the face of every single piece of content. They are burning out trying to film themselves constantly. They completely flip this script by letting you create hyper-realistic product shots and lifestyle scenes that look like professional photo shoots. The AI is so advanced that buyers cannot even tell the difference. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to set up your anonymous content empire and build a sustainable online business without ever stepping in front of a camera. I have the link to this tool in the description below, so make sure to grab that to get started. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, setting up your creative command center where all the magic happens. When I first opened this tool, the interface literally blew my mind. I went from having zero AI experience to generating my first professional-looking product shot in under 5 minutes. I literally sat there staring at my screen like, did I actually just create this? First, we're going to head over to their website and create your free account by clicking the Start for Free button. You can sign up either with your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with categories, their tools, and also inspirations that were created by the community. Click on Image in the top menu and then select Create Image. This is where we'll create our AI avatar. Here's what most people don't know. They integrate over 100 premium AI models into a single, unified platform, combining elite engines for image, video, and 3D generation. I'm totally obsessed with this because you never have to waste money subscribing to separate tools. Everything required to create winning digital assets is available in one place. With the boring technical setup completely out of the way, we are about to unlock the exact visual secret weapon that makes your custom items look like $1,000,000. Step 2. Designing your first avatar and product image. Now here comes my most exciting part, creating your anonymous brand ambassador that'll represent your entire UGC business. When I generated my first avatar, the AI created this absolutely stunning hand model holding a coffee cup. I literally gasped because it looked like something straight out of a magazine shoot. The detail was so realistic that I immediately knew this was going to change everything. First, we can start to create our product image. For example, for the product, I'll write this. Product photography of a luxury perfume bottle on a white marble table, plain white background. Elegant style, white roses in a small vase next to it. Bright studio lighting. When the AI finishes generating the image, it will be shown on the right side of our screen. We can continue to create our avatar. We can upload our product image as the reference image. In the prompt box, type professional female hands with manicured nails holding the product, soft natural lighting, minimalist background for UGC ads. You can replace the product name with whatever you're promoting, skincare bottle, coffee mug, phone case, whatever. Add descriptors to match the brand aesthetic you're targeting. The more specific you get, the more consistent your avatar becomes across different posts. Click on the AI model. Here, I'll choose Nano Banana Pro. Hit the output and adjust your aspect ratio and pick the resolution. Then click Generate and watch the magic happen. After the AI generates the image that feels most on brand, save it to your favorites. This becomes your signature style that people will start recognizing. Here's what most people don't know. You can create multiple avatar styles for different niches. I have a cozy home avatar with chunky knit sleeves, a minimalist avatar with clean lines, and a boho avatar with rings and bracelets. This lets me target different brand aesthetics without ever changing my actual appearance. Once your visual brand looks completely flawless, the real revenue is made in the messaging. And you're about to see the exact blueprint needed to turn those casual scrollers into paying customers. Step 3, crafting high converting scripts. Now here comes my most strategic part, writing the captions that turn your gorgeous visuals into massive conversions. When I started pairing my AI-generated images with conversion-focused copy, the engagement literally exploded. I went from staring at empty notification tabs to watching my analytics and target actions climb every single day. I literally couldn't believe how much the right words amplified the visual impact. First, we can go to any AI assistant like Gemini, Chat, GPT, or Claude. I recommend Claude for this step. After that, we can start a new chat, and we're going to use the problem solution proof formula that works every single time. So in the chat box, we can fill it with this prompt. Write a casual 30 to 45-second TikTok UGC script and hook for Aurora Parfum. Use the problem solution proof formula. Scent fades in 1 hour versus 12-hour luxury sweet fresh scent. Proved by an 8-hour wear test timestamp. CTA, click link for flash sale. Include highly detailed visual cues for every scene, specifying the camera angle, on-screen text, TOS, and exact physical actions before the voiceover line. You can adjust the prompt according to your product and hit send. After the AI generates the script, pick the one that hooks viewers in the first 5 seconds. And just like that, we already have the foundation for our ads. Here's what most people don't know. Whether you're a seller or a creator, winning content must look professional yet completely authentic. I'm totally obsessed with these AI visuals because they hit that exact sweet spot and instantly command attention. Just make sure to finish your captions with a clear call to action like link in bio or comment below to drive the engagement that grows your business. With your graphics and script ready to go, the ultimate magic happens when everything clicks together and you're about to see exactly how to assemble a viral video ad that practically sells your products on autopilot. Step 4, producing your winning UGC ads. Now here comes my most profitable part, turning your AI creations into high-yielding video assets that completely dominate any feed. When I put out my first Faceless video, it went viral in the first hour. I literally watched the metrics climb and realized I'd cracked the code for high-converting video without ever showing my face. Consistent profit started rolling in that same week. Let's create winning content now. First, click on the Create button in your sidebar. After that, hit the video option. Then, on this page, we can choose Start/End frame video generation because it gives us control over the video, effectively avoiding AI hallucination. Next, we can select our generated avatar as the start frame. In the prompt box, we can paste our generated copy. After that, we can select an AI model for video generation. Here, I'll choose Seedance 2.0. After that, we can select the mode of creation, fast or normal. After that, click on Output and pick your aspect ratio. For Reels or TikTok, select 9:16. Now we can select the resolution. Here, I'll go with 1080p and adjust the duration. Once we're finished, we can hit generate. In less than 5 minutes, the AI finished generating our video. Here's what most people don't know. The secret to winning video content is high retention pacing. I'm totally obsessed with this because every scene forces the audience to watch until the very last second. Just export your clips, add clean text overlays like day one or the results, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. The goal is simply creating content so powerful that your viewers have no choice but to turn into customers.
Tired of your scent fading by lunch? Found my new ride or die. 10 a.m. first spritz, 2 p.m. still going strong, 8 p.m. and I still catch whiffs of it. Sweet, fresh, kind of luxurious, and right now it's on flash sale. Don't sleep on this, seriously.
Let's talk numbers for a second. If you hired a professional photographer for product shots like these, you are looking at $500 to $1,500 per session. If you learn traditional photography yourself, that is months of practice, expensive equipment, and countless hours perfecting lighting and angles. With this tool, you are getting magazine quality visuals for less than the cost of a fancy coffee each month. I know what you are thinking. But will my audience know it is AI? Here's the thing. The market cares about value and visual appeal, not the tools behind them. If your content drives massive engagement and conversions, nobody literally cares if you used AI, traditional photography, or magic. What if I am not creative enough? The templates and prompts I showed you eliminate the guesswork. You are following a proven system, not starting from scratch. Is this actually sustainable long term? AI tools are only getting better, which means your content quality keeps improving while your workload stays minimal. What if everyone starts doing this? The UGC market is massive and growing. There's literally room for thousands of creators, and most people still will not take action anyway. Here is what you are really getting: immediate access to professional quality content creation, the social proof that comes from posting consistently gorgeous visuals, a scalable business model that does not depend on your physical appearance, and the creative freedom to dominate any niche. Your anonymous UGC empire starts today. Head to the description, grab that link, and create your first AI-generated product shot in the next hour. Join our community of faceless creators who are literally revolutionizing the UGC space. We share templates, celebrate wins, and support the growth of one another. Hit subscribe if this opens your eyes to what is possible when you combine AI with smart strategy. The UGC world is changing fast, and I want to make sure you are always ahead of the curve. Your next major win is closer than you think. Go make it happen.